Hey, remote millionaires. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the two best ways to make money from home in 2025 if you're based in Nigeria, right? And you want to work with clients in the US, UK, the rest of Europe, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, all around the world, people that earn in big amounts, right? They earn in dollars, they earn in euros, they earn in pounds, and they can hire you in Nigeria. What are the skills that you can offer to those people, right? So they can pay you. Yes, there are people that are paying and they're hiring people across the world. How can you join them? The number one skill is web design, which is what I do, right? And that's what I teach in my academy. Link in the description if you want to enroll. But the thing about web design is it fits two very, very important criteria. Number one, AI hasn't really replaced it that well for the common person, for the accountant, for the lawyer, for the carpenter that has a business that's trying to create a website. The tools that can do those things are not that like popular yet. Do you get what I mean? They are not as popular and they are not as good to replace web design. That is the number one thing. Number two thing is easy to learn, but easy to make a lot of money. You understand? For example, let's use another example. Graphic design is easy to learn, but it's extremely easy to learn. So the competition is so insane that people usually charge $5, $30, $20 for a flyer, $20 for a logo. Do you understand? That is the common rate. $50 is like the max, or $100 if you have a big client. Unless if you have like a personal brand or like you have a big following on social media, that's when you can charge 500, 1,000. But for most people, you're not getting that kind of money. But web design is also easy to learn, and there's a lot of competition. But usually at the same time, you can still charge 250, 500, 1,000, 2,000, 5K, $5,000 for a website. Do you understand? Because the return on investment is so much more like visible, right? Compared to a graphic, how much can a logo or a graphic really do for your business? Can you really quantify it? Compare that to a website where having an old website that people didn't really understand how to use, or a website that was killing trust, versus a brand new website that has a booking form, reviews, and videos about you, your location, your phone number, that will directly help the business make money. So a business that's making $100,000 a month, if you do a brand new website that helps them bring in just 5% more revenue, that is how much you're already making $5,000 for them. So they obviously don't have a problem paying you 2,000, 1,000, even $5,000 for your website. You get? So that is the first skill. The second skill, apart from coding, everybody knows that coding pays well, so I don't want to talk about the obvious things. The second skill is becoming a video editor. People might be wondering that, bro, isn't AI like taking over like video editing? Bro, AI can do it, but it's not good yet. AI can do it, but that is usually for smaller videos, and they usually like you basically have to pray and hope that it does it perfectly. Do you understand? There'll be a lot of errors. Some things will not like align perfectly. Do you get? There might be some parts that are important that will be cut off. That a human being will not make that mistake, but the AI might just cut it off. Do you understand? And the thing is that if you feed your video to AI to edit and it does it 99% well, if it doesn't do that 1% perfectly, guess what? You still have to go in and edit the video. So somebody that's busy, that has a business that's running, he has an accountant's practice, he has a dental practice, he has a construction company. Nobody has that time to be doing that. So they would just rather hire somebody. That's the first thing. The second thing about AI, even that AI is not good, the competition for video editors, a lot of video editors don't do good edits. They are not good at all. Like it's very the landscape is so bad. Because first of all, the tools that you actually need to do good editing, you usually need a very, very good laptop and a lot of like time. It's not something that I can really do shortcuts for. Especially all those motion graphics, the cuts, the transitions, you understand, color grading, all those kind of things. Like it takes a lot of capital. You need a good laptop, right? It's usually like 400K, 500K upwards, right? You need very, very good understanding of. You have to be like a graphic designer as well. You have to be somebody that has a good eye for like design. Unless if you use templates from other people, that is also good. But that is the thing. If you're a good editor, not just an editor. If you're just an editor, you suffer like other people. But if you're a good video editor, you can actually make edits that you see all them on TikTok now. People that will make edits that will get millions of views. Just is an edit of a football player, edit of one politician, maybe Donald Trump or something. But just the editing itself, you see some transitions, some nice effects, everything black and white and stuff. Like those are the kind of things that will take your video to the next level. So these are the two skills right now. There are a lot of others, but these are the two I just want to comment this video. So if you like this video, make sure you smash that like button. Thanks for 1,000 followers, guys, on YouTube. It took 3.5 years, but we finally hit it. And now I'm at 1,100 in just 1 week. So that's the funny thing about life. I was about to give up, close this channel and start a new one, but now I'm back here. So thanks again, guys. I'm going to be dropping content at least 3 times a week. It's going to be hard because I'm posting like 5 times, 10 times a day on TikTok. Trying to post on Instagram. So I'm everywhere. So I'm probably going to hire a team like video editors and everything, especially video editing. Even this is my video. The part I'm dreading is to edit this and do some fancy effects because it's very, very time consuming and I have to use my phone. I don't like using my laptop to edit. So, guys, if you want to join the academy to learn more about this and make your first millionaire or your next 1 million with remote work, working from home, freelancing, click the link in the description, the first link in the description, to get into the academy. We have a Telegram group where you're going to have direct access to me and other students, and all the videos took you from beginning. If you don't know anything about remote work, you have never made any money online before, I'm going to break down everything, teach you web design, which is what I do. There are a lot of skills that I can do, but I teach you web design because that's what I do. I teach you how to brand, how to create your portfolio, how to apply to jobs. I give you so many secret websites that nobody else knows about. And even if it's websites that people know about, I give you methods that nobody knows about. You understand? So it's A to Z, how to network, how to deliver good work to your clients. So like I said, link in the description to get in. Smash that like button. I'll see you in the next one.